I'm up here at Maple Motors. I was trying to figure out the rest of the rods I need to get done for this week. I realized I haven't done this flatbed yet. So we're getting ready to go for a test drive. 1969 Dually with a date code correct 327. Let's go for a ride.
Cause it's all said and done again. Whoa, I'll take another drag of life, my friend. Another round before you leave again. Seemed like just yesterday, a whole year away. But I've been thinking about it every day since you've been gone.
Alright, we're getting ready to take off in a 1969 GMC 3500 Dually. Mainly got to take off, go get some lunch, and get a giant fan because the humidity is oppressing today.
You're liking that word.
Oppressing.
Oppressing.
But this thing should run and drive pretty good for what my uncle was saying. He said it drives better than the other one that we got. He's trying to talk me into buying it. What I like to do in these videos is take off down the road, pick any kind of flaws that I can find, running and driving wise. I also do a walk around video, description video of the car, just kind of point out any kind of flaws I see as I'm walking around it. Got a pretty good sound to it. Horn works. Excuse me. Radio does not work. None of the air controls or any of that works. Speedometer's coming up. We're gonna stop up at the gas station before we run out. Oil pressure's coming up as well. Temperature is working. I believe the battery gauge is working. It's barely moving. Try our brakes out. Oh yeah, brakes feel good. Lunge me forward.
We're gonna hit the dash.
You got to hold on. You're not used to these test drives. I do notice that it's pulling to the right. Probably a front end alignment. Our RPM gauge is broken. It's not coming up. Not doing anything at all. So windshield wipers work. We got the face to the radio in the office. That's why this radio is not working. I just got to look down. This big box right below the dash. Max airflow. Pretty good sound to it, don't it?
It does. It's got a nice little pop to it.
I'm going to pull in this gas station. We're going to check this gas gauge out. And I'll let you know. This thing drives pretty good. The steering's nice and tight.
Yeah, that's what Jeff was saying about it.
Out of gas, they're crazy. Look at them.
Oh,
We done got it all. I see one pump open. Who knows? This one. Go for it. We're getting gas in this dually up here. This is a gas truck, not a diesel. But what I like to do is throw about $20 a premium in it and let you know if the gas gauge works. I don't know if I mentioned, but this truck's got a 327 in it. It's a 1969 model motor, so it'd be date code correct. All right, I'll let you know. And it looks like it does work. So we were on empty. All right, let's take off. heading on down to the lunch spot. Keep on driving this thing and point out any kind of other flaws I can find. I'm just glad we got gas. Pretty happy we didn't run out on that one.
We're going to Old Slim Chickens.
Crackling loud, ain't it? The kickdown's not hooked up, that's what I was checking. So we got a little bit slight pull to the right, RPM's not working, and the kickdown is not hooked up. So far, that's the flaws that I found. It's good. Of a hesitation when you stop it, but it's not every single time. Of course, we hit every single red light in town. Maybe this red light will change. Ooh, I set it right in time. I remember when I was young, my grandfather used to tell me he can change the red lights. And he watched the other red lights change, and then when that one would go to red on both sides, he'd count to like 1 or 2 and then be like, now, and it turned to green.
That's very well.
Well, this is going to conclude our test drive. I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, you could comment below, or you could jump on our telephone, 615-822-4444. I hope to hear from you. My name is Nick. I'm up here with the whole family. We've got 100 detailed pictures of this truck and every car on the lot. Check that out at maplmotors.com. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.